Hakajiakran bakilar patai kubor ba Lahkmen rembu ulong ba menteri ketenat Pulit ulong ba ompat dan jing tep AA halor ka jing dawa kasur ka beri Hynñiewtrep ban pha pahrai ki Pulit hakatan jang Mawlai barok kawai kaban sedang nadu ka Tarik Haduh ka Tarik jang mentau benai ulong ru ba ketenat Pulit kan le ka badan kam khanang ban pesok ya ka syangsuk syangsan halor ka jing ki embiang jang ki le no jihadi hajala asam menteri ulong ba ki Pulit ki dai ban pahara ba ban penyor khanang banam aila di ki le no jihadi bakin rung hapo ka jela
the Hendrai Nakajang ka district administration ka police department kan shim ya kino ki kam ki bari banle nakabata ban mite ya ka sokasai kille ya kata. See, as I said from the beginning that all necessary step is being taken and the honorable deputy chief minister also just last week have informed what step have the government is taking and taken and what is next to be taken regarding that August 13 incident. So I don't see that there is a possibility of breach of peace, but having said that, it is the duty of the government, is the duty of the police, is the duty of the citizen to be very vigilant so that there should be no breach of peace. Our duty is to protect the whole state. So wherever we get any intelligence input or information, the police are on that. Police are looking into that area. So specifically to tell you where, how, because all these things are not, it is not a base, it is a module or moving from there to there. So that's why I tell you that cooperation, sharing of intelligence input, sharing of information between citizens and civil society also help us in narrow down any miscreant or antisocial element or anti-national element in the state of Meghalaya. And moreover, the people all over the state, they are very vigilant, and for any suspicious person or thief, a report have been filed with the police, information have been passed to the police, and the police are doing all necessary. And not only that, regarding the jihadi groups, it is not only the matter only in the state of Meghalaya. The sharing of inputs between the central agencies or other state is being done because this is a national, not only state threat, or is a national threat. So coordination between different state and between different central agency is being done so that no element which put the unity and integrity of the country at risk have any place in India or in the state of Meghalaya. Is taking all necessary steps to see that safety and security of the state is paramount. And in the light of the report that Assam is one of the state where there are some anti-social element or jihadist group, that we from the police department, from the government of Meghalaya, we are taking extra step so that those anti-social element or jihadist group have no place in the state of Meghalaya. The question is now, I cannot say why the conviction rate is low, but whoever, there is a solid proof, which proof beyond reasonable doubt that he is involved, so conviction is there. So that's why I cannot say why. But now the police with this raid, seizure, and with all this material at hand, I hope with proper investigation, proper charge sheet, and whoever involved, they will be, as I said before, due process of the law or whatever punishment they have to face, they will face within the parameter of the law. will deal with any crime following the required law, acts and rules. So whatever need to be done, they will do following whether it's NDPS Act, whether other related act, they will have to follow that in investigating the case, and also if at all those who are involved, charge them, and process of the law will take its own.